Welcome to this channel. Please enable to subscribe.
Hello guys, welcome to this channel once again. Welcome back to this channel, Rexy TV. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that, or if this is your first time on this channel, please endeavor to subscribe to this channel. Like this video as soon as you're done watching it, and comment on the comment section how useful this video is to you. You can equally share this video to your friends, all right? Okay, so what to be designing now is a happy birthday flyer, a very captivating and amazing happy birthday flyer. So all you need to do, if you just open your pixellab, you open a square interface like this, maybe from this stuff here, you can just open a square interface. Then you now you tap on this place. We have to change the background first. So you tap on this place, and then you go to from gallery. This is the background we'll be making use of. So you just select it. You can check the description for the materials, all right? Just select it this way, and then you reduce the size. Reduce it by this way. Good. So this is the material now. We are going to be importing the image, the major image of the person doing this birthday. So you can just go to from gallery, import this. All right, good. So you can just move it down, increase the size a little. Use this relative position it at the middle. Good. And then let's add the text here. So you can just go to this A, select text, and you edit it. You'll be adding two first. Okay, go down to size, and then you increase the size of these two. I'll make use of this feature. Just increase the size. Increase the size in such a way that the picture will be nearly the same length with the text. So let's change the font now. Go down to AB font, and then this is the font I'll be making use of. I'll be making use of this font. So in case you can equally make use of another font, but the major focus here is that I need a font that here, that this place of these two is straight like this, not a font that looks this way. You can see that this one, this two is sharp at this point. So that was the reason I selected that font. You can equally select another font that looks similar to that, all right? Okay, so we are done with this. We are done with this. You go down to color, then you select transparent. Now this is how this transparent color was combined. This is how it was combined. Go to color, then tap on this plus sign. You move this down to this transparent side this way. So you move it down, and then you tap OK. You see that the image is now transparent. Good. Then you go down to stroke, enable it, and then you change the color of this stroke to white. Can reduce the stroke, reduce it to like 3. Good. So we are done with this. You have to position it at the back, to the back, and then let's use this to position it well. Okay, good. Then we will copy this text, copy this font, move it here, and then you edit it. 7. This one you adjust it. Good. Let's use this position to move it well. Good. So I would like to increase the size of this image a little. Let's move it up. Move it up in such a way that it will be on the same line with the font. Good. Good. So this is it. It's okay now. Another thing we'll be adding the text for happy birthday. So you can just pick a new text, position it here, and then you edit it. As happy. Good. So you go down to font again. Go down to font. I'll be making use of this font. I'll just select it and then mark good. Move it here, position it well. And then you copy that same font because you'll be making use of it again. Move it here and then you edit it again. Birthday. Alright, so you go down to color. Change the color to yellow. Good. And just use this to adjust it a little. Good. I'll copy this font again. Copy this. Then I'll move it down here and edit it. April. That's the month, the birthday month, 27th of April. So you can just reduce the size so it will be able to fit in to this. Good. All right. Let's pick another font. Let's pick another text. Then you edit it. That's the name of the celebrant. That's what we're about to add, which is Mr. Kemi. Mr. Kemi. Okay. You move it down here and then you change the font. You change it to a more stylish font. I'll be making use of this. Okay. Then I'll move down to color, move up to color and select yellow. Good. Can just increase the size. All right. And this is okay now. So I will probably pick another text. I'll pick another text, move it down here, and then edit it. Just to write a little, uh, just to add a little appreciation or something like that to this. So I'll be adding this. We wish you more healthy life healthy life and success in all your endeavors. Okay, so you use this alignment to align it at the middle. Good. And just reduce the size of this and then increase the length. Position it here. You can just move it down here. Let's use this to position it at the middle. Okay. I don't really like this font, so I can just change this font. I can go down to AB fonts. I'll select this font. Then you go down to line spacing, not this. Go down to spacing. So you space the letters so they won't be too clustered together. Good. You can just use this to align it at the middle. Good. So this is how amazing this flyer looks. So simple and amazing. So what you do here is you can just save it to your gallery. So you can just tap here and then you save it as image. I prefer saving with PNG and Ultra. That's if I'm using it for online advertisement or something. Ultra or maybe medium or high. But if you want to print it, you save it with JPG and custom. So you can just save to gallery. Good. So if you check your gallery, you will see this design there. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please endeavor to subscribe and like this video. Share this video also to your friends or to your anybody. You can just share this video to anybody and then comment on the comment section how useful this video is to you, right? Thank you so much and God bless you.